Alright, you guys, so ignore that I look disgusting. It is 7 o'clock in the morning right now, and I just literally rolled out of bed, and here I am. So today I am starting my drive to Florida, and I'm so excited. I'm not, like, once I woke, like, when I first woke up, I was like, oh my god, like, I'm not gonna be able to drive, I'm so tired, but I perked up. And my dad is so cute. He was like, he made me like little bags of snacks, and he was washing my car with Windex because there was like bird poop on my window, and then he was like, he washed the windshield wiper. He's just so cute. He just wanted to be helpful. But I'm heading to Dunkin' right now to get some coffee and some food, and then I'm gonna head over to the Feldmans, and we're gonna try and aim to leave by 8. So I don't know if that'll actually happen or not, but we don't have a strict schedule, so it's okay if we don't. But I'm so excited. I'm driving first, so I probably won't be able to update for a while, and I probably won't update at all, so like when we first start. So this is pretty much the start of it, and I will update again when I'm not driving. Okay, so I just drove the first, how many hours? 4. We left at 8 and it's 1. 4.5-ish hours. And we stopped once to go to the bathroom, and then we just stopped again, and I filled up, and we're in Virginia. So I think we're making good time, but somehow Gannon's mom got like way far ahead. So she was waiting for us for like 45 minutes. So now I'm not driving anymore because I'm too slow. But we still have a lot of hours to go. And then we're gonna stay somewhere overnight, probably in like Georgia. Okay, so I haven't vlogged at all, barely. I only did that one. But we're in South Carolina now, and we're gonna try and head, where are we going? Towards Jacksonville? Towards Jacksonville before we stop and like find a hotel to stay at overnight. We're gonna try and drive till like 9, it's like 7-ish now, so. And then we're gonna leave in the morning and hopefully get to Florida, well, Bradenton around 2 o'clock. Oh, these are really bright. Okay, so we're in St. Augustine. We decided to go a little bit further than Jacksonville. It is 12:30 and I'm exhausted, but we're at the hotel. Emily's going to make sure there's a room available for us, and then we're gonna park and go inside and go to sleep. And we have 3.5 more hours to do tomorrow, and then we will finally be there. Praise the Lord. Okay, so today is the 18th. It's the next day. It is 9:20 right now. You're shining that in my eyes. We're gonna go find a Dunkin', and then we have we have a 3.5 hour drive then. So starting route to Dunkin'. We should get there around like then turn left. 1:30-ish. Okay, so we are in Orlando right now. Well, like, we just left Orlando. It's really hot out. It's like 90-something degrees. We just need to stop because I had to go to the bathroom really bad. So thanks, Mom, for the small bladder. But we should be there in a little less than 2 hours. I'm so excited. We hit some pretty bad traffic, but it's okay. We got through it. I say we, but I just sat here. We are officially here. I'm so excited. We're pulling into the complex right now. We're gonna go to the building, like the main building, get our keys and stuff, and then we're gonna go in the apartment. I'm so excited. Ah! Hey guys, long time no see. So I never really finished the end of the moving video because things got crazy. We had a ton of stuff to do, but I lived there for a week. Here for a week, and then I went home for a couple weeks, and now I'm back and I have everything all situated and as clean as it's gonna get for now. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. So first of all, I am in just a sports bra right now because it's really hot out. So, and I was just working and the air is on, but it's still hot, and so I just got really hot, so I just am in my sports bra. So sorry about that. And second of all, something I need to address in this video before I get into the tour is that Gannon and I are not together anymore. I have not talked about it in a video yet. I did film a video where I talked about it, and I'm not gonna get into it. And I don't know if I'm gonna upload that other video yet, so I'm just gonna tell you guys now. We are not together anymore. We have not been together for over a month. but we are still roommates. So we do live together. He has his own separate room. So people are probably like, if you guys are together and you are living together, why are you like in separate rooms? So that's why I'm addressing this. So it makes more sense, the setup of the apartment. So, okay. With all that said, I'm just gonna get started. So when you first come in, it's dark because I have the light off. I'm not gonna show you outside because my apartment number is out right outside my door. You come in and there's just like a little welcome area. So I'll come in as if I'm walking in the door. So you come in. In here is just a closet where we keep beach chairs and cleaning supplies and, you know, stuff. Not really all that fancy. This was already here. A lot of the stuff, like our apartment was furnished, but it had like decorations and stuff too. So this was already here. Peep my keys, but. So then when you come in, it's really big and open. And it looks like this, and I'll get there. This is Gannon's half. This is his bathroom, this is his bedroom. I'm not gonna go in there. That is some laundry that got mixed up with mine that I left outside the store. I'm not gonna show you guys that because it's his space, his privacy. He's not here, so I'm not gonna, you know, go in his space. But this is our little living area. We have a nice couch and coffee table and chairs and stuff, and this whole thing was here. My computer wasn't, obviously, but it's really nice. Like everything was all nice and furnished. So, and there's art everywhere. You guys will see that. So yeah, really nice furniture. Not the comfiest couch in the world, not the cutest patterned chairs in the world, but I like it. And then outside here, I'm not gonna go out, but is a patio, which was already furnished, and there's a closet out there too that I have some stuff I need to put in that I haven't yet. But we got the view of the parking lot, which is nice. It's not bad, but if you're on the back side of the house, you get a view of the lake, but then you also have the alligators. So I'm happy with this. Plus ours is screened in since we're on the first floor. But, so yeah, then this is just like where I edit, all that stuff. Really nice and open and big. Peep more weird art. And then this is the kitchen. Sorry about the washing machine. It's a really small kitchen, but it's like nice size. Has a dishwasher, you know, all that stuff. Built-in microwave, lots of storage. Oh my gosh, look at my fridge. It is so satisfying right now. I just went grocery shopping. Okay, it looks more empty on here. But look at how organized my drinks are. Well, those are Gannon's, those are mine, but. And then we have like these water things because you have to like filter the water here. Okay, that's not as impressive as I thought it was, but you know. All that stuff, and then our washer dryers in this little nook, which I wish there was like a screen or something so we could cover it up, but oh well. Cabinets, yeah, nothing really fancy about it. It's a kitchen. I'm just glad we have a dishwasher. And then when you go back here, this stuff right here is what I'm putting out in that closet out there because there was a comforter and all that already on my bed and I already had my own, so you know. Okay, so this door straight back here is my bathroom. So when you first walk in, there's a linen closet, which I feel bad. Gannon's bathroom doesn't have a linen closet, but mine does, so you know, nothing special. It's a linen closet. And it's actually like pretty decent size. That's my shower. So I have like a lot of countertop space, a really nice big mirror, and then I have another, this is like a medicine cabinet, which is nice. I just have a lot of space, and there's a lot of space like under here for stuff too. So it's really nice. I quite enjoy it. And the shower's not like the best because it's like one of these weird tile ones, but it's nice, like I'll take it. So that is the bathroom. And then when you go back out here, take a right. This is the air conditioner unit, so if you hear it, sorry. This is my bedroom. Sorry about the laundry on the bed. I just did a load and I didn't put it away yet. So this is my bedroom. More weird art. I am so happy with how my room turned out. I really love it. I love the bed. I love the furniture. I love everything. So here's my bed. I have two little nightstands. These just have clothes in them. I have my jewelry box on that one. This bed is so comfy, you have no idea. And then over here, there's a closet. And it has my clothes in it, and then a bunch of stuff stored up there, and my shoes in the bottom. I bought these drawers from Walmart because I didn't take my Alex drawers with me down here. So I bought these, and they have my makeup in them. Sorry about the trash can. It's a little messy in here, I'm sorry. And then, so like from over here, if you're on the bed looking, there's a big dresser, all kinds of clothes and stuff in it. Weird Liberty Bell painting, I don't know. And a TV, so that's super nice. I've never had a TV in my room before, so I like it. And then over here is another closet, which I'm gonna get to in a second, and a mirror. I have laundry on the floor, and I have a nice view of the parking lot too. Can't really see it, but yeah, nice view of the parking lot. This room gets really good lighting when I have it open, but like if I'm changing and stuff, people can see right in, so I usually keep it closed. But, so this closet is actually pretty special. Hang on. So, as I was saying, this closet is actually pretty special because I turned it into a filming closet. It's very small, I know, but I did not have a filming space here because of, I was gonna use the spare room, and then now Gannon's living in the spare room, so you make do, you make it work. So this is my little filming closet. It actually works really well. I can just like plop down in this chair right here, film. It's just enough space. My desk is already a disaster. I spilled my Cody Airspun on it this morning. I have some nice storage up there. Like, it works, and it's nice because I can just, it gets really hot, but I can just close this door and have this own little space to myself. So I quite enjoy it, even though it's small, but it has a nice plain background too. It just works, man, I don't know. But yeah, that is the whole apartment. So I really am happy with it. I could not have asked for it to turn out any better. I love it here, and I love Florida, and I have a lot of videos coming up. I'm sorry that I've been, focus please. I'm sorry that I've been a little absent, but now you kind of know why. I've had a lot going on. But I have some exciting videos coming up soon, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the love that I've gotten for this whole moving series, and for like all of the kind words everyone said when I left. So I really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.